Welcome to my channel. My name is Silynthia and I'm a mom who's trying to get her family to financial freedom. Happy Freebie Friday, my friends. We are rocking and rolling. Today we are going to start our Freebie Friday savings challenges with the 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. We have $17 today, which is awesome. The problem with today is that I don't have any ones, and I figured we stuffed some ones into the other savings challenges, so we'll get started with the ones and then hopefully be able to switch out the fives. It's so much easier to get the fives, but it's just not enough money, so we just have to work on whatever we got to do to get these savings challenges completed. We've got our marker. Let's set up our savings challenges. All right, so last week, number 1 did not get any funds. And so, man, I don't know which one to put in number 1, just in case my dice is just being shady. I don't know. Let's go ahead and we'll set it like this, and hopefully it's in frame. Was trying to make sure we were in frame last week as well. Let's see. All right, we have our dice, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We are hoping number 4 does get on the board today. All of my savings challenges, the symbols are $1, so that's what we're working with. Number 1. Okay, well, there's that. Number 2. Alrighty. Number 5. Number 5. Number 4. Yay, number 4 is on the board. Number 3. All right, we need number 6. Number 3. All right, so we have these 2 $5 bills left. But what I'm going to do is, I believe this one had, yes, it had 4. So we're going to go ahead and, this one had 4, and we're going to add the $2 here. And 1, 2, and we're going to make change while we're actively playing the game. All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Perfect. And I'm going to check and see if any of the others actually have 5. I don't, how much did this one get last week? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and add this last dollar for 5. And we're going to mark off the, ooh, this one only needs 3 and it's completed. It does need to dry. Okay, oh, I just set that there. Okay, we're going to continue on in hopes that number 6 gets love now. 3, 6, there we go. 3, 2, 5, 4, 5, 1, 2, 1. Perfect, perfect, perfect. All right, well, we need that. We are going to go over where we got each of these savings challenges. Set that off to the side there. All right, so our first savings challenge is from Restoration by Autumn. It says silence is golden unless you have kids, and then silence is suspicious, which is very, very true. We have $2 here. Just needs $1 more to be completed. I'm not certain how much our Freebie Friday videos are going to actually save us. But all of these savings challenges were freebies. I used envelopes that I already had. I used a binder that I already had. So, I mean, I'm just trying to be resourceful and make my savings stretch. I do have plans to take my kiddos somewhere at the end of the month, and then also buy something on my list of things that I need for my home. So that's pretty much where all of these savings challenges are going. Nothing's going into like a long-term savings or anything like that, because we are working on other savings challenges for that reason. All right, $3. 1, 2, 3. So you can see on these dice it does have different amounts, but I made all of my symbols $1. And I went back and forth on that because I was figuring some of them I probably could do $2, or some of them, but I'd rather just complete them, have some wins, and live my best life. Let's see here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, $6 total. Yay! All right, we're just gonna let that dry. Our next savings challenge is from Lady Luck Saves, and it does say $5 on each of them, but once again, I'm doing what's best for my budget, which is $1. 1, 2, 3, 4, and I strongly suggest that people, if you have coins, do save your coins and use the savings challenge, because yeah, you can throw your coins into a bucket or into a jar or something like that, but it's a lot more fun if you have paper to color on. So 3 and 4, so that one has a total of 5. Yay! That's wonderful. Progress, progress, and more progress. Put that away. And as you can tell, I'm not saving a lot at once. I mean, throughout the week, yes, I'm saving more than I typically would, but it's because it's a magic month. All right, so we've got $2 going into our savings challenge from S&C Budget Creations, which you'll find in my Ko-Fi. And we're adding $2 here. All right, and we're adding $2 more to our savings challenge from Lubu Innovative. 1 and 2. I was thinking when I finish these savings challenges of actually printing or grabbing some more. I do have some in my savings challenge binder, but I think what we will do is just once they're completed, and then we'll move on to our next plan of action in terms of saving. So if we can start June savings sooner, so be it, but I want to try to get all of these completed by the end of May. Adding $1 more to this savings challenge. This savings challenge is from Hippies, Puppies, and Kittens Budgets. So you can see kittens, how cute. I love her dress. Okay, let's let that dry a little bit. Perfect. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4 in there. I didn't want to pull the cash back out. All right, I'm just going to put these savings challenges away. Like I said, I will link these ladies down below. Some of these I've had for a while, so I'm not certain if they still have the savings challenges available. But I will say, typically people who make freebies, they continue on making the freebies. And so even if you can't find these exact savings challenges, you can definitely look through their Ko-Fi or their Google Drive or whatever they have available for freebie savings challenges. I love, love, love freebies, and that's another reason too why I felt it was really important for me to make savings challenges. Oh man, I really like the idea of people being able to save and not spend a lot of money to actually save. They're still amazing, fun, beautiful savings challenges. And as a matter of fact, I go to the library and I print. I don't even laminate them because they're one-time use typically. There are some savings challenges that I've fallen in love with over time that even if they're not laminated, I won't get rid of the digital just because I do want to keep using them. But you can use these freebies, and look how amazing these savings challenges are. Beautiful, beautiful. And no, they're not scratch off or a part of a set or anything like that, but put it all together and it means something special, right? You're saving for a Mother's Day theme. Put it together. You have, I have a set of giraffe. I have a set of bears. I have a set of Betty Boop. I have just a different sets. And I was thinking, how fun would it be to use all the freebies I can possibly find to do these savings challenges? So that's what I'm working on. And it shouldn't cost a lot of money to save, especially when you're on a very tight budget like myself. Because my budget is so tight, I can't spend money like oh man, there's some savings challenge boxes that I would love. Oh my goodness, I can't even take how bad I would love to have one of them, but I just know for my budget it's not reasonable, but freebies are. So check with your old library and see if they have free printing. My library does. And if you're out of ink or out of paper, or you really just are like, I only have enough for special reasons or whatever, go to your library, check and see if you can print them out. Download them to your phone. That's what I do. And send them to my email. And then boom, guess what? We've got freebies. But that's it for now, guys. I want to thank you all so much for stopping by. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. All of the things that can keep us connected. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.